Hello, my name is Novira J. I'm student of Telkom University, and my identity number is 120213207. And this video for text of analysis reporting financial class, and now will explanation about the profit and loss statement or income statement of PT Hardware Indonesia. So keep watching.
Can we look together? This is a profit and loss statement and other comprehensive income of PT Hardware Indonesia for the 3 months period ended. This is for 20 and 15. Sales plus consumer sales net become a net sales, reduce cost of goods sold become gross profit, and reduce operating expense plus other income and reduce other expense will be operating income. Reduce other financial charge become profit before income tax, and reduce current tax and plus deferred tax will be total income tax and expense. And income for the period for S Hardware Indonesia, and this is the final income per share 7.37.
Transaction and balances in foreign currency. Transactions involving foreign currencies are recorded at the rates of exchange prevailing at the time the transactions are made. At the reporting date, monetary assets and liabilities dominate in foreign currency are adjusted to rupiah using the Bank Indonesian average rate of exchange for export bills. And for the inventories are carried at the lower of cost or net realizable value, whichever is lower. Cost is determined using the weighted average method. Income tax, and in this financial report, all temporary differences are arising between the tax basis of assets and liabilities and their carrying value for financial reporting purposes are recognized as deferred tax. Deferred income tax is determined using tax rates that have been enacted or substantially enacted at the statement of financial position date and are expected to apply when the related deferred income tax asset in release is realized or the deferred income tax liability is settled. Deferred tax asset relating to the carry forward of unused tax losses are recognized to the extent that it is probable that future taxable profit will be available against which the unused tax losses can be utilized. Adjustment to tax obligation are recognized when an assessment letter is received or if an objection submitted when the result of the decision objection determined, or if applied when the result of the decision on appeal from tax court is determined. Revenue and expense recognition. Revenue are recognized when the goods are delivered and the ownership are passed to the customer. Revenue from consignment sales are recorded at the amount of sale of consigned goods to customer, while the expenses are recorded as amount payable to consignor. expense and other income charges are recognized on accrual basis. And earning per share, basic earning per share is computed by dividing the total income attributable to owner of the parent company with weighted average number of shares outstanding reporting during the period. Diluted earning per share is computed by dividing the total income attributable to owner of the parent company with weighted average number of shares outstanding as adjusted for the effect of all dilutive potential ordinary which outstanding during the reporting period. The weighted average number of ordinary shares outstanding during the period and for all period presented shall be adjusted for event other than the conversion of potential ordinary shares that have changed the number of ordinary shares outstanding without a corresponding change in research. And current tax and deferred tax is the one of the item of profit and loss statement from PTS hardware financial statement. Based on government regulation number 21 strip 20 and 7 that December 28, 20 and 7 regarding reduction of the rate of income tax on resident corporate taxpayers in the form of publicly listed January 1st, 2008 and Ministry of Financial Rule number 238 strip PMK.03 strip 20 and 8 that December 30, 20 and 8 regarding the guidelines on the implementation of and supervision of the tariff of publicly listed company that resident publicly listed company in Indonesia can obtain the reduced income tax rate 5% lower than the highest income tax rate under Article 17 paragraphs 1b of the income tax law, provided if they meet the prescribed criteria, which are company whose share or other equity instrument are listed in Indonesian stock exchange, whose share owned by the public is 40% or more of the total paid share, and such share are owned by at least 300 parties, each party owning less than 5% of the total up shares. And this is the end of my explanation about the profit and loss PTS hardware Indonesia. Sorry for any mistake that I did. I'm still learning. I hope that this task will be useful for everyone. Thank you.